Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox 7.2 on Kubuntu 24.04. Okay, open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Then click on download or download, both are same. Then see here the latest release 7.2. Then click on Linux distributions, then select the Ubuntu 24.04. See, download started and its size is about 109 megabytes. Wait until download completes, and it is .debian package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal or console. Now go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then virtual, then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is failed because dependency not met. Okay, so install this one. Sudo apt install, paste it, hit enter. See, you might want to run apt fix broken install to correct this. Okay, so run this command, so it will install this package. So sudo apt fix broken install, hit enter. See, it is going to installing this package. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Ctrl L. Now install VirtualBox by running same command. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed VirtualBox. Now verify. Go to applications, then search for VirtualBox. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. Let me maximize the screen. Now go to help and about VirtualBox. See, here we have installed VirtualBox 7.2. Close this one. Now if you want to create new virtual machine, click on new, then provide the details like virtual machine name, folder to store the virtual machine files and folders. Then we have to attach the downloaded ISO image, or go to machine and select new, both are same. If you want to attach the existing virtual machine, you have to click on open. Okay, so unless this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed RM virtual, can give the tab, hit enter, unless we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.2 on Kubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.